morning, welcome to my office. It is a great morning. I mean, springtime is finally here. During the winter time, nobody seems to care about a boat mechanic, but now everybody wants a piece. I am definitely back on the map, and that is wonderful. Another thing that is wonderful is the fact that I've gotten a couple of new subscribers who are not my mom or my other two friends. So thank you so much for subscribing and liking. It means a lot. I don't really know what I expected going into this YouTube channel. I only knew that I wanted to have that creativity back into my life. Filming is something I've always loved, but for the past 10-12 years it has been about nothing else than running this company and fixing engines. So this allows me to have a hobby, and if you enjoy it, then that's just, wonderful. After making 6 episodes now, I realized that I haven't addressed where I am, what's going on, who am I? So I thought maybe I should start with that, my name. My name is Krogsrud, which is a difficult name to say even for Norwegians. Yes, I am in Norway, and my office and my workshop is in Drøbak. It's a small town not too far away from Oslo, which is the capital of Norway. And in Oslo, I have a tiny department as well, and that's also where I live. I have 2 guys working with me, Tom and Rolf, and I work closely with the truck guys, Paul and Sondre. Yes, I just call them the truck guys, so I keep forgetting their names. So that's the core of it all, that's the basics. So I thought maybe we could, hack into Google Earth and steal one of their satellites, and then maybe I can make like a film that goes from way up into space and down all the way to Drøbak, so you can sort of see where I am and where everything is going on. This camera is never straight, is it? Nah, it doesn't really matter. I got some new stuff for the drone, so I thought I was going to take a look at that. And maybe you want to take a look at my new apartment, which is in the epicenter of Oslo. I need to go there right now to check out a few things, so I thought maybe, well, since I want you guys to get to know me a little bit better, then you can tag along if you want to. All right, let's do this first. New blade stealth upgrade propellers and some normal propellers. There we are. And what is this? Oh yeah, just a new protector thing for the camera. All right, that's it. Let's go. Going up to our new apartment, and we've been doing a lot of different things trying to make this apartment more personal. It's brand new, but still we did a few things, and it has so far taken us about a month. And working and doing this and everything, that's a lot. let's check it out. Hello, honey. I'm home. So, what are you doing? Well, that's my beautiful girl. Fixing a wall? Building a wall? Oh.
Building and fixing.
What's up with the light? We set up this wall, which is gonna sort of frame in the walk-in closet. And we built this wall as well. So this would be the biggest room, and that's the smallest room. And then we got the wall right here. And this is the living room. So we're gonna change this. We want real stone instead. So all this is gonna be new. And yeah, this is it. And that's the view. A lot of construction going on here, all over the place. Not just inside, but outside as well. So I think this is gonna be great, but we have a lot of things to do, but we are doing it, and it's fun, and we're learning new things all the time. So yeah, that's a quick update from the apartment. So what we're doing here is that we're going to change this Yanmar gauge because customer complained about not being able to see how many hours the engine has run, and in order to fix that we actually have to change the whole thing. So typical. All the wires back there are really short. Alright, since all the wires are really tight, I can't remove the panel. So I have to find another way in. So Yanmar, they make these quick connections, so it should be quite easy to loosen, but it's not easy to get up there with just one hand. So I think maybe this is a very good time to put the camera down actually. Alright, so I'm all done now. It took a few hours actually. It should be an easy fix, but all the wires and everything, and I had to go up and down through this narrow hatch. But now I'm gonna start it up, and I want to see 0 on hours, and I want to see RPM moving. Hopefully it's gonna idle on 800. We'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna start it up now. We are on land, so I'm not going to keep the engine running for more than a few seconds, and then we're going to stop it. So hopefully the stop button will function as well. If not, I'm going to have to run down in the engine room and stop it manually, but if everything is right, it should be good. All right, all done.